Welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling a classic outdoor challenge, restoring those weather IPA stairs back to their original stunning condition. As you can see, the wood has lost its life, but we're going to bring it right back. First things first, the prep work. I'm starting with a thorough pressure wash to remove surface dirt, debris and any loose particles. It's essential to get a clean canvas before we move on to the heavy lifting. Now, to deal with the old falling finish, I'm applying a specialized stripper to break down the old coating. This step is crucial for the new finish to bond properly with the wood fibers. Yeah. Meow. After letting the stripper do its magic, it's time for another round with the pressure washer. We're washing away the old finish and any remaining chemicals. Now, we just need to let it dry completely before we start the transformation. With the wood clean and dry, it's time for the finish. I'm using specialized emulsion specifically designed for outdoor repair woods. It's going to provide deep protection and that rich color we're looking for. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more professional home repair tips. And here's the final result. The stairs look brand new, protected and ready to last for years to come. Thanks for watching.